Struggling to find a specific spot? Let's fix that today. Adding labels in Audacity is a game changer you need. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature in Audacity, adding labels to your audio tracks. This will help you organize and edit your projects like a pro. First up, go ahead and open Audacity and import your audio file. Once that's done, simply click on your waveform at the point where you want to add a label. Once you found the spot you want, head over to the top menu and click on Edit. Then select Labels and choose Add Label at Selection. Now, you've got your label right here. You can name your label anything you like and even move it around to fine-tune its position. It's all about customization. And here's the cool trick. You can add as many labels as you need. Just select another part of the waveform and instead of going through the menu, press Ctrl+B to quickly add another label. There you go. Customize the labels, move them around, and you're good to go. Now you can keep your audio projects organized and efficient. Whether you're editing podcasts, music, or any other audio, labels are a game changer. That's it for today's tip. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.